No, not as dramatic, not as dramatic, but that's kind of, we need a driver out here. So I do the driving, and I also do a little bit of the being scared here. So here I am, we're going about 90 miles per hour, 120 miles per hour, 220 miles per hour. It's the Datsun 2080Z. Look at that baby, no? It's a fucking classic car, so check it out. I know everybody wants my number. It's on the next episode. I'll give you the next number so we could, you know, I guess meet or something like that. You gotta check out the titties. I'm fucking over here doing something. So that's kind of like what the day gave me. It's a fucking great episode. What are we gonna do? I don't know. We're gonna take off, right? Morocco, India, America, back to Florida, spring break. So. Alright, we're back, right? So we're doing our thing. Here it is. Now I'm French. I'm a fucking French thief. Here we go. Thief Alliance. Don't forget it. It's the 2014. It's the 2014 countdown. All the thieves out there are gonna get together. Pa que coman bien. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit. We're fucking leaving. We're coming back to America in about 15 years. We gotta go live our lives, you know? Like in the movies. You know? So here it is. Freaking take the tag off for fucking, forget Lee. We gotta strip again. So, here we go. The fucking car doesn't want to start. It's fucking New York and shit in the morning. We gotta fucking pray. What's going on? It's too cold in here. Check out the back of the car. Look at that fucking steering wheel. No? I want you to check out the car. The car's fucking beautiful, this car. Huh? Yeah. This all could be yours for about $2,800. $2,800. Check out the ass. Check out the ass of this fucking car, huh? It's a classic Datsun. Going back to Miss Mason days. So that's what's going on, what we're doing here. I don't know, we're fucking doing it 80? No. We're fucking doing the French stuff. And that's it, that's all she wrote. So basically, we need a female here with a tetas or something like that. So if you know anyone, let me know. That's it. Peace and fucking, I don't know. The French do it best.